Hello everyone, a very good evening to you all. To all my viewers, to all my dear wonderful students and my friends. I am Avinash and I am here before you all with the latest update in the case in which Gujarat High Court had initiated a contempt proceeding against senior advocate Percy Kavina. Gujarat High Court today closed down the suo motu contempt proceedings that it had initiated against the senior advocate Percy Kavina. Let us try to understand that what had actually happened that transpired and that triggered and that led to the filing of this initiation of suo motu contempt proceeding against senior advocate Percy Kavina. Senior advocate Percy Kavina, he was arguing before Honorable Mr. Justice Devan Desai, and he used the term while arguing in the court. He used the term for the sitting judge, mind it, for the judge that अरे साहब कोई तो शर्म करो, अरे साहब कोई तो शर्म करो, मतलब हेलो सर हैव सम सेम। ये पर्सी कविना ने बोला, एक सिटिंग हाई कोर्ट जज के लिए बोला। देवन देसाई उस समय उस बेंच पे, सिंगल जज बेंच पे वो बैठे थे और देवन देसाई को रेफर करते हुए डिस्पैरेजिंग रिमार्क वाज गिवन बाय द पर्सी कविना एंड गुजरात हाई कोर्ट, दिस वाज द बैकग्राउंड, एंड गुजरात हाई कोर्ट had initiated a contempt proceedings suo motu on its own against senior advocate Percy Kavina for the very reason that he used disparaging remark, or he stated something which does not seem to be fit for a senior advocate to say in the court, right? Division bench, that is of Superia, Honorable Mr. Justice Superia and Honorable Mr. Justice Mengde, the division bench which had taken up the matter, and the matter was to be heard today, but senior advocate Percy Kavina tendered an unconditional apology, tendered an earnest and sincere unconditional apology, and even he tendered the apology to Justice Desai in person also, right? जिनके अगेंस्ट में इन्होंने गलत शब्द यूज किया था। सीनियर एडवोकेट पर्सी कविना ने ये बात बोला, अपोलॉजी दी, अनकंडीशनल अपोलॉजी दी, और जिनके अगेंस्ट में ये वर्ड यूज किया था उनको भी जाकर के अपोलोगाइज किया। और इतना ही नहीं, जब ये चीजें चल रही थी तो जो सो मोटो कॉग्निजेंस लिया था कोर्ट ने, तो जस्टिस सुपेरिया और जस्टिस मेंगडे ने ये बात बोला, रिमार्क किया कि सीनियर एडवोकेट पर्सी कविना, आफ्टर द सीनियर गाउन वाज कन्फर्ड अपॉन हिम। आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि एडवोकेट की एक कैटेगरी होती है, एक जो जब आप एडवोकेट, आप बहुत दिन से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, आपका नाम चल रहा है, आपका एक ऑरा है, आप सीनियर एडवोकेट बन जाते हैं। तो सीनियर एडवोकेट आपको कन्फर किया जाता है, सीनियर एडवोकेट का जो पोस्ट है। तो ये जो दोनों डिवीजन बेंच है, इन दोनों ने रिमार्क किया कि सीनियर एडवोकेट पर्सी कविना, आफ्टर बीइंग कन्फर्ड विद द सीनियर गाउन, he has forgotten the respect, the honor, the dignity which is attached to the gown, which is attached to the service. And they said that lawyers are officers of the court and they play an instrumental role in the administration of justice. And if they will behave like this, then only God knows where the justice will go, right? So this was the latest update. This thing had happened, this had taken place this week only. This अरे साहब कोई तो शर्म करो, this had taken place earlier this week only, and today the contempt proceeding was to be heard, but the Gujarat High Court, after Percy Kavina tendered the sincere and earnest unconditional apology. Senior say the division bench of Gujarat High Court, they closed the suo motu contempt proceedings against senior advocate Percy Kavina, right? So guys, इस मैटर में इतना ही था। हम लोग अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे फिर से आपसे और किसी नए टॉपिक पर बात करेंगे, किसी नए केस पे बात करेंगे। So guys, stay tuned on India's biggest law learning platform, that is on the YouTube channel of Chanakya Judicial Academy and Chanakya CLAT classes. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Sri Ram.